This video will show you how to bind the aircraft and a mobile device. Connect the aircraft to its battery. The aircraft LEDs should begin to rotate in a circular fashion. Enter the mobile device's Wi-Fi utility page and select the aircraft's Wi-Fi signal. The aircraft's Wi-Fi password is 123456778. After pairing is successful, initialize the HUBSAN application and choose the appropriate aircraft model to enter the main interface. The system will automatically request compass calibration. Rotate the aircraft horizontally and then vertically as indicated by the system's prompting to complete calibration. Rotate the aircraft clockwise horizontally and then vertically. When calibration is successful and complete, the prompt window will disappear. At this point, the aircraft and mobile device are successfully paired. The aircraft's LEDs should be solid. Pull the virtual or non-virtual joysticks down/out simultaneously to arm the aircraft's motors. Please enjoy a wonderful flight. Thanks for watching.